Animal free, MRE. Look at our kids. Ooh, we're presenting custom MRE.com children's rations. Doo doo doo. Hi, it's the Workmans. Candy, Robbie, Penny,
And Ben.
We're reviewing Kids MRE from Black Dog Bob at
CustomMRE.net. Check it out. They can do anything you've seen in any modern MRE. They use MRE Star products plus Bridgeford and a few other really popular brands. And they're all production date of 2018. They're super fresh and completely customizable. Completely customizable.
Get in on that. All
Custom
right,
MRE.net.
we have got some antsy kids wanting to get some food in them, so we are going to jump right in with this MRE.
We've never done a review with both kids. I tried it once, and Robbie ate like 7 rocks.
Yeah. Things happen. We're all just trying, right?
Well, here's the 2 custom kids rations that we're going to show you in just one second. But from the same company, we have a vegan ration that was sent to us from our friend Natalie, also known as Funky RT13. She's on the MREforum.net forum.
All right, let's get into these rations. Should we put these on the plate?
Yeah.
Open them up.
Let's get these on a plate. Actually, we're going to show a quick little picture, profile, cinematic view here, and then we're going to go straight from it onto the plates. Let's do some magic. You guys ready? Do some magic. Can't see your binky? Let's see your binky. Ready to do some magic? Want to try it again? Robbie, do it this time? Ready? So this one is the strawberry. Who gets strawberry? I thought you wanted grape, silly.
Tortillas.
Tortilla times 2.
Freeze-dried sliced apples. Yum.
That's
Oatmeal
gonna be
cookies.
unique.
Skippy creamy. Strawberry jam. Go ahead, baby. Creamy. Peanut butter.
Awesome.
Animal crackers. More jam. Tropical punch. Woohoo. Look at that. It looks like some wet wipes, I'm assuming. Towelette. Oh, the dogs are out. Penny's not liking it. We've got...
This one's the grape flavor. This is the one Penny wanted.
Oh, exciting.
Tropical fruit punch.
I don't want
Oatmeal cookie. Freeze-dried apples. That's what I'm interested in.
Yeah.
Animal crackers. Skippy. Jam.
Ooh, yum.
Wet wipe. And 2 tortillas.
All right. Let's get these babies on a tray. And it's the whiny kid. Whiny kid.
Let's get this on a tray.
Let's get this on my tray.
Woo! All right.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see some magic. Let's see some trays. Start plating these babies up.
Okay.
Ooh, we got some sliced freeze-dried apples. Ooh, nice and crisp. Yum. Jam. Yeah.
Animal cookies. Awesome.
Gonna start with
I
that.
like the nutritional facts and all the information are listed on all the envelopes also. Try the cookies. Ooh, freeze-dried apples. Look at these.
Yeah.
It's like apple chips.
That's what I was hitting for Penny. Robbie. Animal crackers in my soup. Monkeys and rabbits look good.
And here's the oatmeal cookies. 2
Ooh.
of them. Those look really good. They're still fresh. They're kind of by the...
I'm gonna have some of these apple shards. Mmm.
Gotta knead your peanut butter.
You're not seeing me in bed. We're trying to feed the kids. This is how we roll. Most dinner times, actually. Sort of a mad dash to try and get them their food before they lose their cool.
That look good. You want to give Robbie one? Hey, look, here's a little bit of the peanut butter on your plate. You want to try
Oh,
to
that's
dip in
cool.
your
So it's on a
animal cookies
tortilla. PB&J tortillas.
Yeah, times 2, which is cool too. Because some kids want just the tortilla.
Okay,
It's okay,
chill.
babe. Hey, Robbie, here's yours. Look, Robbie, there's yours.
Yum. Mommy, do yours? Mm-hmm. Yummy, yummy, yum. Want some peanut butter on it, buddy?
Oh.
He's silly. Just try a bite. It's pretty good. I liked it myself.
I know. Oh, Robbie's trying to steal it. Hang on, Rob. Gotta get some more peanut butter on
Want to
this.
try peanut butter jelly tortilla? It's like a peanut butter jelly sandwich. Ooh,
Yeah, me too.
someone's crouching.
She is. Happy zombie isn't so happy today.
That's a really good peanut butter jelly.
All right. Are we gonna roll this? We're gonna do it roll style. Look at this. Making a roll.
That was a really good
Like
combo.
that?
Here, Penny,
Like
here's
that?
some jelly on your plate like you asked for.
Oh.
You can dip into it.
See, under the kiss of a jelly, she be. That's some yummy jelly. Hey, baby, you want a bite? No. Okay, fine. Okay, then.
No.
Wow.
Ooh, tropical fruit punch. Let's get that going. 6 ounces of water.
I tell you what, from all the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches I've eaten in my day, which is a fair few,
We eat one a day in this house, actually.
we do. As well as I typically eat their crusts or any leftovers, you know, garbage disposal. So, yeah, you know, had a fair sampling. Penny, it looks like, is really enjoying the crackers and jelly, practicing her good manners.
Want to have
and
the fruit punch?
nice attitude.
Go nice and slow so you don't spill.
3 isn't forever.
They say.
It's your brother's turn next.
These tortillas are crazy fresh and they don't taste like the other MRE bread products.
Yeah.
Didn't you get 2? Oh, shit.
Look,
I already ate one. Pretty good. I ate hers. She wasn't into it either.
they're too interested in the crackers and all the goodies.
They are. When they get
Like me,
hungry.
usually.
Well, that's the cool part about this whole meal for a kid. You could break it up in multiple meals, especially with this oatmeal cookie going.
I
Dad.
know. That's Rob's, actually. So I'll give it to Penny.
Sorry, Rob.
Penny, the monger over there, who's blocking the Republic. Mmm.
Strawberry jam and peanut butter.
She's just having straight jam right now.
With their fingers. Like a
Thank
lady.
you. Thank you.
Robbie. Hey.
Thank you.
He's really liking the cookies and the apples. Apples and jam. Ooh, nice touch, Robbie.
You want to dip everything in the jam right now? Can you blame them? Jam's delicious. Big sugar fruit
Hey, Robbie, want some peanut butter to dip?
spread.
There's some peanut butter to dip with.
Whoa, what was that? You know what?
What's fall down?
These may be for kids, but these are some yummy MREs. This is a fun.
I just ate both her tortillas.
I know, right? This is I ate a whole chock full entire packet of peanut butter, entire packet of jam on the tortilla. Delicious, good ratio, fresh tortilla. I
Penny-
definitely take these anywhere.
Penny
Anywhere.
just did a new MRE hack. She did the animal cookie and the fruit punch. Boom! Sure, you can try whatever you want.
Love it.
It looks like dipping things in the jam is a big hit. The grape jam
Dipping.
in particular.
Hey, let's not clean it around, please.
I ate all the strawberry jam. Me and Mom.
I had one pack.
I had the other. And I ate a grape jam too.
Robbie's just eating jam now also, actually.
I'm gonna
so
eat the double cookie.
maybe double up on jams in these kids' packs. Robbie just took Penny's tray because she's so involved in this tortilla dipping business.
Hey, whatever floats.
We're
This
eating and they're not screaming,
I was just about to comment how quiet it is right now.
right? They're very happily eating these. It's so fun to get to enjoy MREs that are specifically designed and geared towards the kids. They're obviously very excited about it. Both of them, like we said, have been quiet the whole time, enjoying the different things. Of course, it's fun to get to do a special MRE with mom and dad. And hey, Penny, what are we doing MREs for?
Alright.
Never on cue. Never on cue. But at any rate,
Oh man, what's she doing?
3-year-old for you.
Penny, don't go do it. That's not funny.
These kids are turning into monsters. Is it close to 8 o'clock? It must be. Or
It's close to 8
7.
o'clock, and Dad's stepping up and eating cookies.
Oh, it's 7:25. No wonder they're turning into pumpkins again.
That's not.
It's a very nice
Yeah,
way of
that's not
putting
a
it.
pumpkin.
It's not a pump.
That's something that escaped from another realm.
The fruit didn't fall far from this tree. That one.
Alright. Oh, Robbie's mad. He dipped all of them in his
All the
fruit
cookies
punch.
in the fruit punch.
Oh man, I'm trying not to mix them. I want to keep the good ones.
Oh, me too. These are good.
Oh, I had a hair on it.
From our kids, of course.
Yeah, it's ours. It's ours.
The animal cookies remind me of the Russian sweetbread crackers. Way good. I like them. The kids, actually, this vegetarian MRE that we're going to enjoy after the kids get out of here, they actually really enjoy it and ate the majority of it last time.
Sometimes I don't, or I do. I have to bite it off.
Whoa!
Did you bite it off? Hey, what do you have in your hair? Penny,
Bite.
what do you have in your hair right now? Are they blueberries?
What?
Can you show the camera?
In your
Show the
page?
little fruit piggy tails?
The other one is
They're
not.
both there.
That looks like a blueberry.
Little flowers. See, look in the camera.
There's two bugs.
Who has a blueberry bush, Penny? Don't touch, please.
I do. Yes, you are.
No, Gigi has a blueberry bush.
These apple chips are really cool, man.
Has Dizzy bush.
Not gonna focus on them, but
Mm-hmm.
whoa! Good job. Look at. He pretty much ate everything on there.
All done.
The jam.
These are so cool.
No.
Idaho's cool, man. We just did an MRE show at the Boise Army Navy store. Whoa! Don't do that, babe. Okay, I think it's time to wrap it up here. We're wrapping it up. Hey, Penny, say goodbye.
Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Bye.
Thanks for
Say
joining
bye.
us.
Thanks for
Like
coming
this
in.
MRE.
That girl Penny, huh, Robbie? Was that good?
2 minutes.
Was that good? High five. Yeah. High five. Yeah. High five. Just so yo. Just so yo. High five. Oh. You better chew your food. Hey, you want some dip? Give it a shot, Penny. The peanut butter tortilla. What do you think?
Oh, it's so good, sweet. That's really good. Don't really get off the tip, though.
You guys like to use the jelly as dipping sauce for everything, and then you just like the peanut butter on the tortilla. That makes sense. The tortilla and peanut butter are so sweet.